Pi Network released the interface that makes mainnet Pi apps accessible through the Pi browser. The ecosystem interface is expanding to incorporate mainnet apps, continuing Pi's mission of empowering pioneers and developers with new utilities and opportunities. This first group of 20 mainnet Pi apps has already gone live and sets the groundwork for the subsequent inclusion of more Pi apps and releases of the mainnet ecosystem interface. Previously, the ecosystem interface showcased only testnet apps, where applications can be tested and refined. This setup provided Pi developers and pioneers the opportunity to explore functionalities and provide feedback in a test environment. This update for the first time provides easier access for pioneers to mainnet Pi apps where real Pi on mainnet can be transacted for real goods and services. This is an essential step in preparing the app ecosystem for open network, and we're excited to see how pioneers will interact with mainnet apps. The intent is to make as many mainnet Pi apps as possible accessible through the Pi browser. This is part of making the mainnet ecosystem available for pioneers and the public and is essential for improving the mainnet ecosystem over time. As such, when pioneers encounter or use these apps, the responsibility of vetting apps and assessing the risk associated with each Pi app rests with the individual pioneer. The same responsibility one has when using traditional websites on any general browser or Web3 applications on other crypto networks. Note: pioneers should note that Pi Network does not, and has not, verified, evaluated, endorsed or reviewed ecosystem apps that are available for access through the Pi browser for any reason or purpose. Your use of these ecosystem apps is at your own risk, and we strongly encourage you to use caution when using them. Showcasing these apps on the ecosystem UI in the Pi browser serves as a testament to Pi Network's emphasis on creating utility of Pi. Provid. Applications for pioneers, supporting developers, and promoting outstanding app development. Next steps for developers. With the inclusion of mainnet apps in the ecosystem UI, developers should continue to improve their apps. Whether your app is on mainnet or not, it's essential to ensure that it is fully functional, well integrated with Pi, and offers a good user experience. Address any existing issues, such as bugs or incomplete features, as soon as possible. This proactive refinement is crucial as mainnet Pi apps become available to potentially millions of pioneers globally, alongside the upcoming Open Network launch in Q1 2025. Moreover, improving apps is not just about improving individual apps, but also about strengthening the entire Pi ecosystem before and after Open Network launch. By refining your app now, you'll contribute to and be a part of a robust ecosystem ready to offer significant utility to pioneers worldwide. If your Pi app is ready to be accessible via the mainnet ecosystem interface on Pi browser, you can apply for that through your account via the Pi developer portal. If you're interested in developing a new Pi app,